Hey folks, it's Friday, it's NG day, and I'm procrastinating. So I've made you a tiny video about some Google Sheets life hacks to hopefully make your NGs go a little bit quicker. The first thing that I do is hide rows. So let's say I wanted to hide N through R. I don't want to see it while I'm working. I'm going to select those rows, just drag across columns, whatever columns you want. You're going to right click and click hide columns. And there you go. You don't have to see them. They're not gone forever. You just click these little arrows, bring them back. Boom, there they are. When I'm doing NGs, I like to hide everything from the student name to the current week so that I don't have to look at everything else and I can see really quickly what student I'm working on. And then I just pull them back when I'm done. The second thing is conditional formatting. This is more after NGs are done. I like to conditionally format the completed lessons column so that I know which students to contact, students that haven't done the number of completed lessons that are expected of them. So the way that I do that is I'm going to select the rows that I want, or sorry, yeah, rows, the rows that I want to format, which for me is T3 to T65 over here. And I want these numbers to be red if the number of completed lessons is less than 50%, is less than the expected lessons. So I'm going to select that range. I'm going to right click and at the bottom click conditional formatting. Now, so this will show up like this. Uh, Single color is what we're doing right now. You can do color scale if, say, you wanted to do this color if they're at 50%, this color if they're at 75%, this color if they're at 25. It's totally up to you. So it's already selected the range that I've highlighted. And we're going to format cells if and scroll down to custom formula is. Now, our custom formula is we want it to highlight or do whatever if T is less than S. So we're gonna use just the first row. We're gonna say custom formula is equals T3 is less than S3. Okay. It defaults to this weird blue. I change it to text color red, no cell highlight. Okay, and then click done. And there you go. If my completed lessons are less than my expected lessons, they're highlighted in red. In order to get rid of that, I just do click on one of those, click conditional formatting, and hit the trash can, and it removes it. Anyway, I do those in red so I know which students I have to contact without having to scroll through and physically look at each number. I hope that helps. Take care, guys. Have a good weekend.